Alright, so we're out here today. My buddy got me some new wheels for my truck, and I just wanted to show y'all what it's about and give him a shout out for it.
Yeah.
So, alright, we're gonna go ahead and go get the wheels real quick. Come with us.
So over here,
We got 4 wheels and tires for Toyota, but the lug pattern is the same thing. I don't know if you can see them very well. Get close to the tree. Get closer to the tree. Alright, if you're looking right here, about right here, we got the wheels down here, and we're gonna go ahead and bring one of them jokers on this way. So check it out, we got the new ones right here, or the old, stick it way back so you can actually like see it flat. Get it close to the ground.
Oh, hold on.
Put it on the ground 20 feet away.
20 feet away.
Alright, so here's our new wheel right here. We got it right here. It's gonna look just like this.
Yeah, it's gonna look really good on this truck. I'm pretty excited about this myself, and it's not even my truck.
Yep.
Except for it's got these stupid little Toyota things right here in the center. Oh!
Alright, so we got our Milwaukee right here, and we're gonna go ahead and use a chrome impact socket, because you know the deal.
Yeah.
Yep, so let's get to chooching. Alright, so we're gonna get in here right here. Just zap and wah wah. There's one, Bubba. And I was bringing a new one. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're gonna have to lift her up a little bit, man. She's gonna be taller. Noah! Oh yeah, let's go ahead and install her. What am I doing wrong? Maybe it's not the same lug pattern. There it goes.
Oh, that was it. She said pop. Took the cap right off of it.
Oh, cab's just rocking, man.
It's bolted to it, is it not?
It is.
So it can't just roll off the frame.
I need long lug nuts. I'm struggling, bud. Just even clock her a little better. There she is.
Yeah. Start the threads with the impact.
That's right. She needs the newer studs anyways. I can't even find them that small anymore.
Yeah, it's kind of, those small little studs are for the wheels like that, where they're stamped steel rims, you know, because that's cheap and that's what was easy to manufacture back in the day.
You want to smoke, bud? You can go ahead and turn the GoPro off.